Pronunciation of ts. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and share it with somebody. Subscribe if you want to see more, but do press the black bell icon so that you don't miss any new videos. Thank you again. The best way to pronounce the ts sound is simply say as English ts, and you've got it. Please repeat ts, ts, ts. Now, tsa, tse, tsi, co, cu, cy, ca, ce, ci, co, cu, cy. Please repeat ts, 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 ts. Now, ats, ets, eats, ots, uts, its. And again, ats, ets, eats, ots, uts, its. Please repeat coś, cuda, cegła, cały, co. Coś, cuda, cegła, cały, co. Please repeat cytryna, taca, cebula, palec, cytryna, taca, cebula, palec. Well done. Please repeat pałac, palec, plecak, ocet, pałac, palec, plecak, ocet. To wszystko na dzisiaj. Do zobaczenia.